create clever kids.
Hey boys and girls, today we got a surprise package from Flying Tiger. We got quite a few presents today, so let's take a look. The first thing we got is a Flute. One thing I noticed about it, first of all, is it's made of wood, not plastic like so many of these children flutes typically are made of. It's made of real wood, has great pattern of colors, very vibrant. They're bold colors and they are striking for a young child. One thing I must say though, it is a little difficult to play unless you know how, so that's my first observation. Second thing we got here is a DIY puzzle, or as they say in Dutch, DIY puzzel. Let's take a look inside. So we have some round wooden pegs and some Tetris style pieces. Next up we got the life cycle set, or Levcyklus set, from egg till butterfly, fra egg till sommerfugl. Beautiful. So we'll start with the egg here, the caterpillar, the pupae, and the butterfly. Finally, we got a projector torch, or a projector torgite, with 3 slide discs of the planets. Now, one thing that's different from these toys from the 70s and 80s is this is very small, so let's take a look at it.